idea! Guess what? I counted 17 blue memory bubbles today. That's wonderful, Spark, but maybe don't fly through them this time. Oops, right! Attention, add attention. Sneeze emergency detected. This is not a drill. Looks like the nose needs our help.
A sneeze emergency? That's not good. Let's go! Whoa, it's dusty in here.
Looks like something has entered the nose.
What a nice place to visit.
Visitor? More like troublemaker. Wow, is a lot of dust everywhere. Yes, and this is bad for the nose. The nose doesn't like dust, pollen, or tiny unwanted particles. So what's going to happen? The body is preparing one of its fastest defenses. Faster than me? Almost. Impossible! Where are we and who are they? We are deep inside the nose, and those are sensor cells. Sensor cells? The nose have sensor cells? Oh yes, Spark. Your nose have a lot of sensor cells. There are millions of tiny helpers watching for dust, pollen, and other things that don't belong there.
Millions? That's like having a whole army of nose guards.
Exactly. And when they spot trouble, they quickly tell the brain.
Dust detected! Dust detected!
What's happening now? Special nerves inside the nose have spotted the dust.
They're sending a message to the brain? Exactly.
Incoming sneeze request.
Incoming sneeze request. The brain got the message! And now it's organizing a response. The brain can do that? Of course it can. But how the brain is going to do that? Let me show you.
When the brain gets the message from the sensor cells, he sends a signal to 3 parts of the body.
Which 3 parts of the body?
First, the brain sends a message to the chest muscles to be prepared.
Let's get ready!
Then, the brain sends a message to the lungs to take a big breath.
Let's inhale a lot of air.
And the third message goes to the throat, to get ready to let the air pass through.
All set! And the sneeze comes out! No, not yet. Not yet? No, not yet. After the body gets the signals from the brain to get ready, now it has to take action. Action? What kind of action?
Let me show you. This 3 body's parts are working as a team. First, the chest muscle has to squeeze. 3. That squeeze makes the lungs push the air out. 2. That air has to pass through the throat. That's why the throat has to open widely to let the air pass through. 1.
Yes, Spark. This is what happens. Then the big ACHOOs happens.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Yes, Spark. A sneeze can push air out very quickly.
It launched that dust all the way out of the nose!
That's exactly the point. Sneezes help remove things the nose doesn't want inside.
No more worries. Everything is clean now.
Wait, I noticed something. What's that? The eyes close during the sneeze. Many people's eyes close automatically when they sneeze.
So nobody sneezes with superhero eyes open?
Some people can, but most people close them without even thinking about it. Bodies are weird. Oh no, Spark. Bodies are amazing.
Whee!
Uh-oh, germ alert.
That's why it's important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze.
With your hands?
Even better, use a tissue.
And if there's no tissue?
Then we find another way.
Sneeze into your elbow. Oh wow, good idea.
I think it's time to go back to brain headquarters.
Welcome back, Nia and Spark!
Great teamwork. The body is safe and healthy.
Thank you, we did it!
We are back, and I learned a lot today. I learned sneezes aren't just noisy. What are they, Spark?
So what is it, Spark?
They're one of the body's ways of protecting itself. So every ACHOO is actually a cleanup mission. That's right.
Best emergency ever. Brainy friends, I hope that you, just like Spark, have learned a lot today.
Thank you for joining us today in this great adventure. And remember, if you like this video, subscribe.
Oh, we forgot to tell you this. Always stay curious. Bye.